Tired of thumbnails that get lost in the YouTube sea? Let's craft click-worthy stunners with Nano Banana's AI magic. First, head over to Nano Banana and sign up or log, and you'll land on a dashboard that's your creative command center. Don't worry if you're not a design pro. Nano Banana makes it incredibly easy. Click on Create New Thumbnail. To begin, you'll be presented with a few options for maximum AI power. I recommend starting with Prompt to Design. This is where the magic happens in the text box. Describe the essence of your video, think keywords, emotions, and the core benefit for your viewer, for example. If your video is about easy vegan recipes, try descriptive prompts. Nano Banana's AI will then generate several visual concepts based on your prompt. Scroll through these options and pick the one that most resonates with your video's message and style. Once you found a great starting point, you can refine it further. Nano Banana offers intuitive editing tools. You can easily adjust colors, add text, insert your channel logo, and even swap out elements to perfectly match your vision. Don't be afraid to experiment. Add bold, clear text that highlights the video's hook. Use contrasting colors to make your thumbnail pop. Remember, the goal is to grab attention instantly. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, simply click Download. You now have a professionally designed, iPod thumbnail ready to attract clicks and boost your YouTube channel's performance.